Hey guys, got a dep exhaust, full dep exhaust, and that's for the DT125R. Well, actually, it's a 170 now. I've since fitted the big bore kit, the Athena big bore kit, and so this just arrived. I bought it off eBay for £319, I think it was, with free shipping. I think I had free shipping. The box it came in wasn't very, it was in a really bad condition because somebody left it out in the rain. But yeah, well, whatever. It's here now, and it's here safe, and it's quite nice. It's I can see it's mild steel and it's chrome plated, and handmade depth pipes. Quite nice. Is it heavier than the original? Hang on a minute. I'll go and get the original. Right, let's get scientific. Let me feel it. Oh wow, yeah, that's about half the weight of the OEM one. Alright. Let's feel the weight of that. Quite heavy. Quite heavy. Yeah, I'd say the OEM one is a bit heavier. Not much in it, without putting on weighing scales or whatever. Am I happy with it? I think so. I mean, I could measure the hole, how much that is. They look kind of similar, really. So this is a French model, so it's supposed to be fully de-restricted. Let's have a look at the hole. To me, without getting the verniers on it, they look the same. Looks totally the same to me. So who knows? Who knows? Hopefully it'll be really good, and it looks shiny, which is a good thing. So yeah, that's my review on the dep. Now, the original OEM pipe for, say, a British bike, I hear has got a collar on the inside of the hole, and you have to chisel and grind it out and all that. I don't know, I've never seen it, but this, I'm assuming, would give a lot more extra flow for an OEM, over an OEM one on a British bike, which is limited to 12 horsepower. So yeah, it looks alright, and you get a sticker, which is cool. I'm going to stick that on the pipe there. It's going to be badass. Anyway, catch you later, bye!